case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of Pennsylvania was presented with a challenging case in 2008, revolving around the contentious question of whether a minor under 13 years of age can legally give consent in a sexual assault case. The lawsuit was filed by a minor girl, T.G., against 3 adults, Joseph Fabrizio, John Scaruzzi, and Michael Ibbotson, and the Philadelphia Phillies, Inc., as she accused them of subjecting her to sexual assault. In the initial proceedings, the trial court's decision stirred controversy by allowing the defense of consent even when the alleged victim was a minor, an aspect highly debated in this case. The parties defending their actions argued controversially that minors could, under certain circumstances, provide consent. Conversely, the appellants, including T.G., argued that anyone under 13 is legally incapable of giving consent. Faced with this legal quagmire, the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania decided to reverse the decision of the lower court, ruling that evidence of consent is indeed not a legitimate defense in cases involving minors under 13 years of age. This conclusion was rooted in the recognition of the fact that even the Pennsylvania Crimes Code denies the defense of consent in sexual assault cases involving minors under 13. The law views this age group as particularly vulnerable and incapable of giving informed consent. Therefore, any adult accused of sexually assaulting a minor cannot claim that the minor agreed to the act as a form of defense. The Supreme Court's decision thus mandated a new trial for the individual defendants, while upholding the trial court's judgment in favor of the Phillies. This case highlighted that consent cannot serve as a legitimate legal defense when the victims are minors under 13, thus reinforcing the necessity to safeguard the rights and interests of minors.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.